Hello friends, this is me S. Sabrinath and you are watching Be With Us. Today we are going to see an important topic called as subtraction using addition. Many of us would have been doing subtraction using borrowing method. I felt this is very confusing and very irritating. Okay, so that I found a new method. That's a new method to solve a subtraction using addition. Okay, let's see a basic subtraction method. Let's take two numbers, that is 756423 and 07632. Okay, when you are doing this subtraction, when the top number is greater and the bottom number is lower, is easy to subtract it. For example, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, but when it comes to 2 and 3, you need to take the borrow. That means you have to cut the 2 and put 12. The 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. They are two okay. Then if you come to nearby number, you have to cut 4 and put 3. So it will take a lot of time to solve it. So comes my method. In this method, for example, let us take 8 and 4. Then you have to think one thing. What plus 4 gives you 8? There can be two options for you. For first example, let's take 4 plus 4 gives you 8. So basically for 8 minus 4, you have to think that 4 plus 4 gives you 8. So you can directly put on 4. So now what has obtained? 4 plus 4 means only 8. Okay, there is no number near to it. So the borrow would be just 0. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Okay, you can say this is a normal thing. Anyone can do it. But let us come to the second thing. 16 minus 8, everyone knows is 8. But my technique is that 16 minus 8, in which you have to take a look out at these numbers, where you find that 8 plus what should give 6. That's the question. 8 plus what gives you 6? You might ask me how 6 is lesser than 8. Then how 8 plus what gives you 6? In such a condition, if the number at the first is smaller than the number at below, then you have to think, for example, if 8 is there and you have to get the number as 6, 8 plus 8 gives you 16. So the last number would be 6 and the before number would be 1. So in that condition, you have to put 8 plus 8 is 6 and to take the borrow as 1 for here. So the next thing comes here. It would be present as 0 and 1. So if there is 0 and 1, then you have to what would come? 1 plus 0 gives you 1. So that will be the conclusion. So after finally you get 18 minus 10 gives you 8. That's the answer. Next, let us solve this sum by that method. Okay, it's a simple thing. That is 756423, then minus this number. Okay, first thing is easier. That is we are having 2 and 3. 2 plus what gives you 3? 2 plus 1 gives you 3. So you have to put 1 and it gives only 3. So you have to put the borrows 0. Okay, 3 and 2. Now 3 and 2 said, if 3 and 2 comes in, the bottom number is greater and the top number is lesser. So you have to think what is after 2, in which digit it comes as 2. That means after 2, in 12, the last number comes as 2. So what plus 3 gives you that 12. So it is pretty easier. 3 plus 9 gives you that 12. So I have to substitute 9 so that the answer will come as 2. And as you get the answer as 12, that is before 2 there is a 1. That says they have to take the 1 as a borrow for the next number. That means you have to put here as 1. The next we come here. 6 and 4. Okay, what plus 6 give you 4? As upper number is smaller and lower number is bigger, again you have to think, after 4, in which number the last digit comes at 4 is 14. So 6 plus 8 gives you 14. So 6 plus 8 gives you 14, so you can directly put down as 8. That's easier. So the 14 will be there, so again 1 will be the carry. So next is pretty easier. 4 plus what gives you 6? Just 2, I have to put just 2, easier. 7 plus what gives you 5? Yeah, as you see, as I have already told, 7 plus 8 gives you 15. So 1 will be the carry. Then finally, what plus 0 gives you 7? Is 7 plus 0 gives you 7. So you can directly put down 7. That's all. Then we have to do is what? Is that you would have written the borrowed number as 1 and zeros. Just you need to subtract this from this. That is pretty easier. Wherever the 1 is there, we just separate 1 from it. For example, 7 plus 1 6. 2 minus 1 1, 8 minus 1 7, and 1 minus 0 1, so the final answer would come. This method look to you like little bit complicated, but I am sure if you practice this method you can go free from borrowing method. This is very pretty much easier. Repeat this video and check it and share it with friends. For any doubts, comment in the bottom. I would explain to you again in my next video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe by